And the feature I learned is called flipper. So here's what it is. I also made it kind of automatic. It flips automatically every half second. Of course, you can change the duration to whatever the length it is you want. And also, if I disable the automatic flipping, then it's gonna flip by clicking or touching on the screen. See. So I think this is gonna be good for two things like flashcards, vocabulary flashcards or something like that, and also for my reading practice application. And this tiny little app was pretty easy to implement. I used a classical flipper, so same old routine. I implemented all the classes, and the core of this little activity is here. I set up the content view, flipper content view. Just like when I did the tabs, a lot depends on the type of the view, content view I set up here. See, as you can see, it's a flipper view flipper, and I am putting things in a flipper. So whatever you put in a flipper, it's gonna be a separate page or separate screen, and by clicking, or it can be automatic. If you flip once, then it goes to the next page. So this will be the first page. Whatever the button is going to be on the first page, and the text view is going to be on the second page. And this third view is going to be the third one that appears. So I bring in the view from here, and I'm also creating an instance of a flipper thing, flipper object, and I'm going to call it Flippy. And the Flippy is okay. So the flipper view is going to be now called Flippy, and that's defined in here. So everything in the whole thing, this whole thing, and it has an ID of view flipper 1, so I can refer to this flipper view by this ID later on. So I'm bringing the whole thing in, and I'm calling it as Flippy, and I'm adding a lot of actions to this Flippy thing. And for example, I added a set on-click listener to this. That's what it is. Okay, to this. I don't know. Well, anyway, then I also added the set flipping interval, and also added the start flipping, because of the final. Well, actually, these two lines, it's automatic, but if I disable this, it won't flip automatically. Oh, and also upon click, what it's doing is showing next. I don't know, called page or flipper page. So upon clicking, it's gonna show. If it's showing now, and upon clicking, it's gonna show next one. This is the next one. If you click on once more, it's gonna show this. If you're gonna flip through manually, then that's what's gonna happen. And I think I can use this for my little language learning application. I can force people to read. I can flip through different text. I can probably have provide a sentences made of 100 chunks of words and phrases, and I can have it flip through those chunks automatically. Maybe I stay on each page for 1 second or 2 seconds, 1.5 seconds or so, then move on to the next one by using the interval, set flipping interval, and also using a start flipping. And I think I'm going to do that. Yeah, I think I'm going to add that to my application.